Welcome, today I'm with Realme C11 2021 and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first of all, just go to settings and here find the sound, tap on that, scroll down with your finger and right there you will find the default notification sound, tap on that and you can, for example, change one of these sounds. If you want, you can also add a notification from your music from your phone or for your Google Drive disk. So I'll go back and for example I will choose this one. Now just tap to OK and right there you can see that your notification sound has changed successfully. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.